Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here. We're going to be here like 20 minutes or so, if that. So there are no health savings or income guarantees. All results vary. So let me get that out of the way. And we're supposed to be partying. So I got my balloons. Yay! And I have my beverage. I actually only have lemon water, so you can probably see the lemon floating around in there. So thank you for your time. So as you can see, we've saved people, or the system has saved people almost $90 million. So that's pretty impressive. So let's get started here. So some of the top spots are Orlando, Los Cabos, Las Vegas. You can see that there. That is Chicago, San Francisco, and New York City. Those are the top places for savings in this system. And so let me show you. I was going to ask people what their destination was, their travel destination. This is our full-time freedom travel party. So since San Francisco is a popular place, we're going to check out some places in San Francisco real quick. Okay, and we cannot show the dates, so this is for 6 days, like next month, okay? So you can see Yale Hotel, the average is $102. Hampton Inn, Oakland Downtown City Center, save 40%, $122 a night, which would be $983. And then the BI Hotel in San Francisco, $35 savings, or 30% savings. And so that gives you a little bit of an idea. You know, I can change the dates maybe for 2 nights. Hold on. So the same places in San Francisco. Gonna let you look at that. $277. And note that these prices are with taxes. So when you travel and you book at other locations, the travel taxes are not typically included. So keep that in mind when you're looking at this information. Okay, then we're going to check out Los Cabos and see what we have there. Okay, so it defaults for about a week or so. Get those dates out. Okay, so then you see the prices here. I'm not going to try to speak in Spanish. Beverly could probably do that for us. But you can see it's like $1,500, where the public price will be $3,100. So that's 50% savings. Woohoo! That's quite a savings there, guys. And so then the Santa Maria Hotel and Suites, that's a pretty good savings as well at 50%. Typically, the public would be paying $785, where with this system, we could pay $389. How amazing is that? Yes. So, hi Beverly. And so then there's a few other ones. There's one for $79 a night that costs like $659 for about a week. So, all right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so Las Vegas is going to be Beverly's destination as well as mine. I have my flight reservations already. So, like these dates are just defaulting for about a week. So we're just going to look at the prices. There's a 40% saving with Westgate and 35% you can see here. This is like the travel season, so the prices are going to be a little bit higher, but still less than the public price, which would be $1,600, where ours is $1,000. So that's a pretty good savings there. The MGM Grand Hotel and Casino, you can see there is $89 a night average, and then the public price would be $1,000, where our price would be $700. So that's like $300 savings. That's pretty good. And then the Venetian at 34% savings, and you see the prices there. So, yay to savings, right? People love to travel. People are always going to travel regardless. So we have a system for people that like to enjoy life. So Beverly is interested in the Catalina Island. That's in California. So we see here 37% savings with the Hyatt Regency. And like I said, this is about a week. I can change the dates and put in just a couple of days. The National Inn Garden Grove at 33% off. The public price is $773, where with our system it's $517. Look at a couple more. And you can either put in a specific hotel, like here you can put in a specific hotel, or if you just are looking for savings, then just use the system like this. And we also have Condo Weeks. So let me pull up a couple of Condo Weeks real quick. For California, and these are, I'm not going to show the dates because we can't show the dates with our system. But these are weeks for a condo. Okay, so you see they're 3-star, 4-star, 5-star places for an entire week. That's amazing. So let me scroll down a little bit more. Indian Palms, 4-star, Stallion Springs Resort, 5-star. And so when you go to click on these, it's going to show you a date. And like I said, we're not supposed to show the date, so we're not going to get into that part. If you would like to see the system, you can do that. Just contact me, 618-223-6006. Okay, so there's some other places there. So you have your choice of a few different places, a few different levels as far as how many stars you want to use. Yay to savings, right? So I just randomly put in Washington for travel for the condo system. So pretty good deals here. So if you are enjoying full-time freedom, what you can do is get in the back office, find some deals, book them, and save a lot of money. Okay, one more thing for travel. We have what's called the marketplace. So we can get in our back office and rent and bid on exclusive resort weeks. So you can sort by arrival date or just scroll down and see what's available. So I'm just going to scroll through here really quickly. I like to go to the Smoky Mountains. Love to go to Tennessee. So you can pause the video and take a look at these prices and locations. As you can see here, there are 9 pages available. Okay, so this video is a little under 8 minutes. You can share the video and see who is interested in having a full-time freedom travel party. And we're going to do this on Wednesdays at 6:30 Central Time, 7:30 Eastern Time. So thank you. God's best to you. Thank you for showing up. I just wanted to show on the last slide. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, Beverly.
You're welcome, Marlena. Thank you so much.